Hello, good morning, sir. सर आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है।
हेलो सर।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा सर।
हेलो सर। हेलो सर, आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है।
Okay, hello everyone. May I audible to you right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
हेलो सर।
Yes.
बोले सर वो मेरा बैचमेंट अंकित का मतलब फोन में बैटरी नहीं है, तो हम लोग साथ ही में कह रहे हैं एक ही फोन से, ठीक ना? तो
अच्छा,
अटेंडेंस दे देना होगा क्या सर?
हाँ, अटेंडेंस
चैट
में
में।
वहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो तुम्हारा दोनों का नाम एक साथ
यस।
चैट बॉक्स में।
ठीक है।
और बाद में तुम व्हाट्सएप भी मेरे को कर दीजिएगा, है ना?
ठीक है
पर्सनल
सर।
नंबर में।
ठीक है सर।
So, okay, let us start. So, it's the QPSK transmitter circuit. We are having two flip-flop here, D flip-flop in the upper side and D flip-flop in the lower side. So, the upper side flip-flop just accepting only the even position bits of the input, and the lower D flip-flop only accepting the odd number of bits. Okay, so that means, as you know, when the clock is present to the flip-flop, then only your flip-flop is activated. That means the data, whatever be the input, will go to the output when the clock is present. So that's why it's a T flip-flop. Now you are having the clocks, something like that. This is the clock, okay. That clock is present here, input to the T flip-flop. Now, देखो, the even D flip-flop, the upper D flip-flop is triggered by even clock, and the lower one D flip-flop is triggered by odd clock. Okay, and it is separated. How? Because this is Q and this is Q bar, and as you know, Q and Q bar there is a complement to each other. So when this clock is activated, okay, then this clock would be deactivated because Q and Q bar is there. So that's why, suppose this is the clock, original clock that is input to the T flip flop. This is the first active edge because we are considering the negative going pulse is nothing but the active edge. So this is the first active edge. This is the second negative going. So this is second active edge. This is third active edge. This is fourth active edge. So in that way, this is 10th number of active edges. Okay. So now, now Now see, this is odd clock. Okay, this is odd clock. That means it's a Q bar. We are getting the output from the T flip flop, that is Q bar, and this is Q. Okay, so this clock, the lower one, is applied to the upper D flip flop, and this is applied to the lower D flip flop. So hence, देखो यहाँ पे ये first negative going pulse. That means this is the first active edge. एंड ये जो सेकेंड एक्टिव एज है वो कहाँ पे मिला? क्यू में मिला. सो दैट मीन्स नाउ इट इज activates the even D flip flop. Okay, so it is for even flip flop, the lower one. This is for even. Okay, and now today is so cold, so that's why I'm feeling difficult to write something. This is for your odd. OD, odd flip flop. Okay, so it is for lower one. Okay, so that clock is being used for lower, for this D flip flop, and this is for upper. So when the lower D flip flop is activated, then upper would be deactivated, and when the upper is activated, then the lower D flip flop will be deactivated. So in that way, we separate even bits and the odd bits. If you have doubt regarding this, you can ask me the question. I will repeat it. So that is why we are using two flip flop here, two D flip flop here. One is the upper side and the second is lower side. So it will give you only the even bits, and that will give you only the odd bits. Okay, that will give you the only odd bits. So that's why I see here we have written here BET. Why we have written it is BET? Because we are getting here only the even position bits. So जो डेटा यहाँ पे हम रखे हैं, so the even position bits will move to this side, and the odd bit positions will move to this side. After that, we use here two carrier. देखो यहाँ two carrier, because this is for even, this is for odd. Okay, so for even we are taking root 2 ps. You can write 2 also, that does not matter, or you can write root over ps also. Cos omega 0 t, देखो cos omega 0 t for this even bit. Now for odd bit we are taking sin omega 0 t. This is the carrier, you can think of that. So two carrier over there. So here we are getting BET. So BET into this carrier will be the available signal here. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? BET root 2 ps cos omega 0 t, that will be available here, and that is called nothing but ACT. So ACT means BET into root 2 ps cos omega 0 t, and SOT for odd के लिए क्या होगा? B0t into root 2 ps sin omega 0 t. Now it's a ADAS circuit. Simple addition will be there, and ultimately you will get ACT, okay, ACT plus SOT plus SOT. That means the combination of even bits and the odd bits. So that will be available at the output. So this is your QSK transistor. So thing is that here we are using three flip-flop. One is your T flip-flop, okay, that generating odd clocks and even clocks, and another two flip-flops, those are D flip-flops. Okay, so one D flip-flop that is just accepting even number of bits, that means that will provide only the even position bits, and the lower one, that is the odd flip-flop, that will provide only the odd position bit, that is output. So ultimately individual flip-flop having one product multiplier, okay, and they are utilizing one carrier wave cos omega 0 t at the upper side and sin omega 0 t at the lower side. So ultimately these two ACT and A0 t will be generated here, and they are added together in the adder circuit, and ultimately we will get VTD, that is nothing but the QSP signal, that is sum of ACT plus A0 t. So if you have doubt, you can tell me. Okay, so this is the transmitted wave, VT. VT is your transmitted wave. Now go for transmitted signal. See, this is your transmitted signal. As I mentioned you, VT. VT is your transmitted signal. Okay, so that is nothing but sum of even bits and odd bits. So it's for even bits, this is for your odd bits, the summation of that. And PS is normalized power, okay, of the input signal. Okay, so this is the case. Now see, you are having BET and BOT, correct? So BET and BOT, okay, so BOT, that is even bit may be either 0 or 1. Similarly BOT, that is odd bit may be either 0 or 1. So BET, BOT, so as BET and BOT, so we are having 4 combinations, correct? BOT में भी देखो यहाँ पे BET, suppose this is your BET and other is your BOT, correct? So how many combination you have now? This may be 0, this may be 0, this may be 0, this may be 1, this may be 1, this may be 0, this may be 1, this may be 1. So how many combinations you got here? You got 4 combinations. Okay, so that means BET may be plus minus 1. Okay, that is also maybe plus minus 1. So 4 combinations. 0 we are considering in voltage level minus 1 volt, and logic 1 we can consider it is a plus 1 volt. So in that way I have written the BET may be plus minus 1, okay, and BOT may be plus minus 1. So when BET is plus minus 1, okay, so ACT क्या हो जाएगा? ACT क्या हो जाएगा ना, प्लस माइनस रूट 2 PS cos omega 0 t. BT, in the place of BT you are writing only the plus minus. Okay, you are writing the plus minus. Okay, and the second one देखो BOT is plus minus 1, so in the place of BOT you can write also plus minus 1. So in that way we have four possible combination of BT. We have four possible combination of BT, isn't it? मान लो BET plus plus, so this is the first time. This is both are plus, so first time plus minus minus plus minus minus. So four possible combination of output voltage may be available at the output of a QPSK transmitter circuit. So four possible, you remember this one. So VOT may be written in this form, okay, by the phase phasor diagram. देखो, this is root 2 PS cos omega 0 t. So if it is plus cos, so that's minus cos. Okay, this is 0. Suppose this is 0, this is origin. Okay, this position is origin. So this axis is cos. So this axis may be minus cos. So here it is sin omega plus sin omega 0. So that is your minus sin omega. Okay. So that is the axis. These are the axis. This is cos, this is minus cos, this is minus sin, this is plus sin. Now suppose देखो इधर प्लस है, इधर माइनस है, इधर माइनस है, this axis, and this side this is plus. Okay, so if you move here तो क्या होगा, ये माइनस, first you have to move here, this is plus side. Okay, then you move negative side. Okay, so that's why even is positive, odd is negative. मिल गया. Now come to this side, this point. Now first you have to move this side, so that means negative side. So if this is even is okay, so this side, and then you move this side. Okay, so that's why देखो odd is negative, even is positive. So in that way, if you come here, okay, if you come here, so that's why you come here and you move there in that way. Suppose this point, so you will move first this axis and you come here this axis. So here क्या है, साइन पॉजिटिव है, so and odd भी पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए both are positive here. Both are positive here. So first cos side, so this is positive, that means even bit is positive. Then you coming down, so it is also positive, so both are positive. Okay. Correct. So that means you are having four phasors. Now for this position, okay, and in this position, between these two, what should be the angle? Okay, I am changing the color for your understanding. Now these to this angle. Now these to this, phasor to phasor. Okay. Now this to this. What should be the angle between any two phasors? It should be 90 degree. This is 45. So that means this is also 45. This is 45. So this is also 45. So ये कितना हो गया 90. Similarly, that is also 90. This is also 90. And this is also 90. So that means यहाँ पे फेज चेंजेस कितना हो रहा है 90 डिग्री between any two phasors rather than 180 degree as in BPS. Getting my point? So यहाँ पे कितना फेज शिफ्ट हो रहा है 90 degree. That is the case. Understood? Because between यहाँ पे हम लोग कितना बाइनरी कॉम्बिनेशन से 4 कॉम्बिनेशन से 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 एंड 4 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है बोले जाओ आउटपुट का. And if you plot this phasor in the phasor diagram, so definitely it is clear that this is the first phasor, this is the second point, this is the third point, and this is the fourth point. Okay. So any two, between any two consecutive, this is how much phase shift is there? 90. Between these two, 90. Okay. And this to this, again 90. Between any two phasors. Okay. Or here also 90. So, but in the case of BPSK, there was 180 degree, only 180 degree phase shift because वहाँ पे 0 and 1 था, two possible outcomes था. So 180 degree, 180 360 degree. But यहाँ पे 4 possible है, so 90 into 4, 90 into 4 is nothing but 360 degree. Okay. So between any two consecutive phasors, there should have 90 degree phase shift. Okay. Getting my point? If you have doubt, so you can ask me the question. I will repeat it. So this is the all about your phasor diagram. So if you don't have any doubt, so we'll move for QPSK detector circuit. Okay, QPSK detector circuit. So this is most important. This figure is most important. This phasor diagram you have to understand. Okay. Now let us move for QPSK transmitter circuit. So as you know, BPSK, so it would be very much simpler. Tension लेने का कोई जरूर नहीं. Same way we have designed it. As you know, BPSK, so you will have QPSK very easily. Just we are just comparing. देखो, this is your incoming signal ST. Root to PS BT for odd के लिए sin omega 0 t. Root to PS BET cos omega 0 t. So ये even के लिए ये odd के लिए summation of these two. This is the incoming signal ST. Okay. Or VT you can say. Now in the case of BPSK, what was the first law? The squaring the incoming signal. क्योंकि वहां पे 0 1 के लिए भेजे थे, लेकिन यहाँ 4 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन है, इसलिए रेज द इनपुट टू फोर्थ पावर, इसलिए s टू द पावर 4 हो गया. वहां पे a स्क्वायर था, यहाँ पे s टू द पावर 4 हो गया. देखो कंपेयरिंग जस्ट BPSK, you have to compare with BPSK, then it will be very much simple. BPSK के साथ कंपेयर करो versus QPSK. ओके. तो क्या हो गया देखो s टू द पावर 4 हो गया. तो बैंड पास फिल्टर वहां पे कितना था? 2f0 था, डबल हो रहा है तो, लेकिन ये फंडामेंटल का 4th टाइम्स हो जाएगा, इसलिए बैंड पास फिल्टर with 4f0 you have to use here. Now in the BPSK, what we have taken? Frequency divided by 2 circuits था. In the BPSK, there we will use frequency divided by 2 circuits. So now here we use frequency divided by 4 circuits. Okay, so that means the repetition of the previous जो phase था frequency divided by 2 था. So if you use double stage, so it will divide by 4. First divided by 2, then is divided by 2, so ultimately divided by 4. So this is the case. So that's why here we are using frequency divided by 2 circuit and frequency divided by 4 here. Like in the case of BPSK, we have used there frequency divided by 2 circuit, but here we are using frequency divided by 4 because frequency is multiplied with 4. That's why. Now, वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या यूज किए थे? Only one carrier wave. This is reference. Listen carefully. This is reference. In the case of BPSK, this is reference 1. This is reference 2. Because here the cos and sin both signals are present. So that's why cos omega 0 t is generated here. and sin omega 0 t is generated. वहां पे इंडिकेटर हाउ मेनी था, कितना नंबर था, सिंगल था इंडिकेटेड डैम्प फिल्टर, लेकिन यहाँ पे कितने, दो है इवन के लिए एंड ऑड के लिए, ठीक है। तो ये देखो लोअर वाला जो है कॉस, तो इस इवन के लिए ये वाला इवन के लिए है, ओके, एंड ये तुम्हारा ऑड के लिए है, ठीक है। सो इट विल इंटीग्रेट odd number of bits and it will indicate even number of bits. So after integration, as you know, it's a low pass filter, nothing but it's a low pass filter. So it will send the DC value here, okay, DC value here. Now there is a latch, it's a sampling switch, that means for odd ke liye it will be touched here and even ke liye it will be touched here. So synchronization must be there. For odd data, the connection would be is in this side and data will go to the output, okay, and that will be treated as BT. That means at the output side there should be some sort of comparator circuit and there should be some sort of threshold in the comparator circuit. You are comparing this voltage level with the threshold level. If this voltage is voltage is higher than the threshold, that means we will consider one as the resistor. And this voltage is lesser than the threshold, then we will consider zero has been detected. So that is the case as we really use in the case of ASK, FSK or PSK. So that part is there. But here we are using two low pass filter, one for odd channel and the other is for even channel. Okay. So this is the complete block diagram schematic representation of QPSK receiver circuit. Every time whenever you study QPSK, you have to think, you have to compare with the BPSK, then it will be very much easier. In the case of BPSK, we have used raise the square of the input signal. But as here we are having four possible signals, so that's why we have raising the incoming signal up to the fourth power, that is h to the power 4 t, and that's why we are using band pass filter of center frequency 4 Hz because the frequency is multiplication by the factor 4, so 4x0. So now if you want to make it x0, so then means you have to, that 4x0 must be divided by 4. So that's why frequency divided by 4 circuit is required here. Frequency divided by 2 circuit is required here. Correct. After that, over there we had only cos omega naught t. Okay, but here as we have two frequency components, cos omega 0 and sin omega 0, so that's why we are getting here two reference signal, cos omega 0 t for even, for detection of the even signal, and sin omega 0 t to detect the odd signal. So that's why it's a balance modulator, it's a product multiplier here. Here also we have used, and that product multiplier will go to the input to the low pass filter. The low pass filtering action, as I discussed in detail in BPSK system also. So here also indicator circuit is there. Every time whenever we are discussing any sort of detector circuit, I have discussed in detail the purpose of using low pass filter, how it filters its incoming signals, on how what is the value we are getting from the low pass filter. Every time I have told you. So you should follow my previous lectures also if you move for better understanding. You must follow the lecture videos. So after having this output, that is goes to the latch circuit, and in the output there must be a comparator circuit. That comparator circuit may be here one comparator circuit. Okay, there may be some comparator circuit. There may be some threshold. Okay, threshold may be L value, and if this value comes here, and if we compare this value, maybe suppose L1. If L1 and this L, if this comparator will compare whether L1 is greater than L or not. If L1 is greater than L, that means we will select 1. That means we have 1. Otherwise, we will consider this is 0. Okay. So for this even के लिए, तो similarly odd के लिए भी होगा. मान लो this is L2. The output of this low pass filter is L2. So it will compare L2 whether L2 is greater than L or not. If L2 is greater than L, then we'll take decision 1 has been detected. Otherwise, if it is not greater than L, so we'll consider 0 has been detected. So in that way, we can select 1 and 0. So this is your QPSK receiver schematic diagram of QPSK receiver. So QPSK transmitter and receiver, or we have discussed in detail here. You go through and you can follow this class notes, video lecture. Also, you can follow Sanjay Sharma book. You can follow Towsling Saha. But mostly, I have taken this QPSK, DPSK. Okay, listen, DPSK and QPSK from Towsling Saha. Listen, for your better understanding, I am referring this book. QPSK के लिए and DPSK के लिए you can refer Towsling Saha. Okay, TAUB. Towsling and Saha, SH, this book. Okay, so for DPSK and QPSK के लिए you can follow Towsling Saha, and ASK, FSK, PSK for your benefit I can mention ASK, FSK, PSK. You can follow Sanjay Sharma. Okay, S Sharma. Also, you can follow my class notes, video lectures as you wish. I need not to mention here because you are so much brilliant and mature enough. So, S Sharma, for your benefit, I mention it is. So, Sanjay Sharma, you can start ESK, FSK, PSK, QPSK, TPSK के लिए you can follow Towsling Saha. Also, Towsling Saha के लिए तुम follow कर सकते हो PSK, sorry, PCM. Okay, I'm mentioning here PCM. You note it down. PCM, DPCM, DM, ADM. So, Towsling Saha, you can follow QPSK, DPSK, DM, ADM, PCM, DPCM. All these are, if you follow my notes, mostly you will get from Towsling Saha book. Okay, and QPSK, DPSK also. अदर जो है लाइन कोडिंग वो तुम संजय शर्मा से पढ़ सकते हो, लाइन कोडिंग, and with along with my class notes and video. Line coding and definition of sampling, quantization, coding. Okay, some numericals you can follow Sanjay Sharma. So if you have any doubt regarding today's class, you can tell. ओके, सो इतना ही आज मैं बोलूंगा, उसके ज्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे, ठीक है? कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो। कीपीएस के अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, कुछ डाउट होगा तो तुम नेक्स्ट क्लास में भी बोल सकते हो। कल जो तुम्हारा जो we are class, so over there you can also tell me if you have any doubt. So उसके बाद हम जाएंगे क्यूपीएस के बाद हम जाएंगे एम के। So it's just we are comparing it with QPS, nothing more than that. QPS के साथ we will compare it. So nothing more than that. Hardly it will take 10 minutes. So A mere phase shifting tomorrow we'll discuss, and that must be the extension version of QPS के। Just QPS के क्या था? BPSK का एक्सटेंशन था, BPSK, ठीक है? So and QPS के एक्सटेंशन हो जाएगा MSK। ओके, सो यहाँ पे हाउ मेनी एरर, फेज एरर था, फेजर 4 फेजर था, यहाँ पे ज्यादा होगा एम फेजर। So just we'll extend QPSK towards engineering tomorrow class. Okay, now it's time for discussion. If you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, if you have any question, and मैंने बोल दिया कहाँ से तुम ये पढ़ोगे, ठीक है? So that is the case. So almost जो digital modulation techniques है already almost we are just almost completing ASK, FSK, PSK, QPSK, DPSK. Okay, and tomorrow we will complete it MS phase shift. So कुछ कहना है तो बोलो. I am not moving because we are having time, but still I am not moving because QPSK you have to understand very well. Okay, so that's why. This phasor, this is important. ये cos omega 0 time just repeating minus cos. This is sine, so this is minus sine, and accordingly we are plotting our phasors: first, second, third, and fourth. And there is 90-degree phase shift in between these two. 90-degree phase shift between these two. 90-degree phase shift between these two. 90-degree phase shift. But in the case of BPSK, there was a phase shift of 90. Correct. 0. Here this is the waveform VT or ST, you can say. This is now BT, BET may be plus minus 1. Similarly, BOT may be plus minus 1, and BET also be plus minus 1. So that means 4 combinations. So that's why 4 failures. Okay, जो मैंने दिखाया है यहाँ पे एक ठो, यहाँ पे एक ठो, यहाँ पे एक ठो, 4 failures. So ठीक है, कुछ डाउट नहीं तो हम खत्म करते हैं. So we meet tomorrow. Okay. और किसी को लास्ट 1 चांस में दे. ये जो है बोलो किसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो समझने में. लास्ट 1 चांस. आई थिंक डोंट हैव एनी डाउट क्योंकि फ्लिप फ्लॉप हम जानते हैं, डीप फ्लिप फ्लॉप है, ये डीप फ्लिप फ्लॉप है. जो इनपुट में होगा वही आउटपुट में जाएगा. सो सिंपल इज देयर. यहाँ पे जो होगा यहाँ पे वही होगा. जस्ट ये क्यू इज इवन क्लॉक एंड ये क्यू बार ऑड क्लॉक जनरेटिंग. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग ऑड बिट मिल रहा है या तो इवन बिट मिल रहा है इनपुट में जो है. नथिंग मोर देन दैट. देन अल्टीमेटली वी आर गेटिंग 50. ओके. So just concluding, thank you all. So this is the end of the class. Tomorrow we will meet.